The federal government of Nigeria don't give assurance of their commitment to fight insecurity and oil tiffy for we country Niger. The Minister of State for Defense, Matawalle, talked this one after the passing out parade ceremony of 1,863 trainees of Batch 34 for the Nigerian Navy Basic Training School for Une. A contact said the President Bola Tinubu-led government no get tolerance for criminality and said they're ready gidigba to collaborate with all the security agencies to pursue all these criminals from where then they hide. A country salute give the trainees and can encourage them to do the right thing and work as a team for their service to their fatherland.
The administration of His Excellency the President of Nigeria, Alhaji Bola Tinubu the Jagaba Bergu, is committed to the well-being of this country and is committed to tackle the issue of insecurity in Nigeria. If you can remember, last 2 weeks we are here together with the National Security Advisor, the Minister of Defense, myself, the GM, the NNPC, and the other relevant stakeholders to come and see by ourselves what is happening in this region, which we go back to the drawing board to see all the situations which we now working on it to make sure that we are going to deal with those criminals decisively. Therefore, what I have seen today, I have confidence that the Nigerian army are ready. They are ready to engage those criminals. With 1,800 and something trainees that have passed out today, it's a testimony that we have the capacity. All we need to do now is to encourage the Nigerian Navy and to provide all necessary support to the Nigerian Navy and other military in order to come to this region and fight these economic saboteurs. Therefore, I have confidence with the Nigerian Navy, and we are going to do more because we are just talking now that we need to add more trainees maybe by next year so that it can reach like 2,500 or 3,000 so that it can cover all the areas that we have problems.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Onne River State, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.